Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a special announcement video and do some baby nails as I am 17 weeks pregnant with my second child. I don't know what I'm doing yet, and we don't know the gender yet, so I'm just going to do each hand separate and I'm just going to wing it with what I'm doing. I'm unsure. I have a few ideas, but I'm going to have a crack at some of the things I've seen on Instagram. So far I've already done my fill using Mia Secret's Cover Beige. If you want to see the design I come up with, please keep on watching. Okay, so it's a completely different day. I ended up finishing these and I didn't even film it because by the time I got finished it was so dark, I had no lighting. I stamped with the little blessings plate, tiny toes there, the girl, same on the thumb, and then I just did white dots with a dotting tool. Ended up using glitter blends, Lucky in Love glitter on the ring finger. So I'm going to do a similar thing on the right hand, but I'm going to use Canny 612 blue, and I'm hoping to do the stamping with this Mode blue in Hook Me Up with my normal white stamping, and this time I've been using the Nails Makeup Gloss Top Coat. I am going to try it with another glitter blends glitter. This one I think I'll try Daddy's Little Girl. If you want to see that, keep on watching. Okay, well that's my pregnancy announcement set complete. I lost a lot of footage and it kept telling me that the memory card was full. I kept changing it over and having issues, but I am happy with how they came out. I really enjoyed the little blessings plate, and I'm definitely going to be doing more pregnancy nails as I have quite some time to go. This will not be the last of baby themed nails. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.